guys, welcome back to Funny Brown Travelers. I'm your friend and the host Manit Rajpal from the channel Funny Brown Travelers. So first of all, I would like to say you all thanks for watching my channel and watching my content. I want your reviews in the comment section. You can tell me about the content you want I can make for you. And the second important thing is please subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and follow me as well as on Instagram and as well as on Facebook. And my Facebook ID is Funny Brown Travelers, so you can go check out the behind the scene shoots over there, and you will get the latest update on Facebook and Instagram first, and then the YouTube. So you can see as of right now in my kitchen, so the video will be a recipe, and the recipe is very easy to make. So today it's gonna be a tomato soup, not a simple one tomato soup. It's gonna be a tomato soup with mozzarella cheese, and it's gonna be a thick soup which will fill your tummy soon. So let's go and have a look at our ingredients. Let's go, guys. The ingredients are: first one, celery; another one, peeled and small chopped carrots; third one is the peeled tomatoes, and it's depend on you how much you want to make. So I'm going to make it for 5 to 6 people, so I am using 2 cans of tomatoes. And Bazooka, you can use it fresh one, or if you want more strong flavor, then you can use the powdered one. So these are all the ingredients I will use to make my rich creamy tomato soup with mozzarella. So these were the ingredients you require to make a tomato soup. So I choose only the simple recipes, which a student or a youth can also make. So before starting the first step, let's do some preparation. So guys, first of all, we need a pot for soup, because you have to take a big pot so that at the end you can blend all and make it a thick soup. Why big pot? Because at the end we have to blend it nicely to make it more creamier. And so for the first step, I will be putting oil in this and then putting carrots and celery. Let's go and watch our step first. Come on here. So guys, I have on my gas. The pan is hot, so I will be putting oil in this. So approximately you have to put 50 ml of oil. Then you have to add the 2 ingredients, which is small chopped carrot, and the second one is same like small chopped carrot, small chopped celery. So remember, oil, let the oil little bit hot, then celery and morca, and mix them. So mix them well so that they don't stick or they don't burn. So mix them not too much. After every 2 minutes you can come and mix them, and you have to burn them till 15 minutes, because at the end we have to blend them and they should be soft. So I will see you at the next step after 15 minutes. So those who like the taste of garlic in their food, so for them they can use little bit of garlic. So in my case, I like garlic very much, so I'm using 2 cloves of garlic, and I will roast them with my carrot and celery. And the second important thing, while doing my videos, I always put behind the scene videos and photos and more information about my channel in my Facebook and Instagram. So you can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and we can have a chat, or we can discuss about next content. Or if you're living nearby in Klaipeda, so you can come in my next videos and we can collaborate for some new adventures. So let's peel the garlic. Do you guys want to come? So follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and let's have a meet next. So after 5 minutes of cooking, my carrot and my celery looks like this. So the color is turning into different color. The carrot color is going light and celery is also going light. So I have to cook it for another 5 minutes. So see you in 5 minutes for the next step. After 15 minutes the vegetables look like this, and to enhance the flavor, as I said, I will put some garlic, and I put it some garlic and I will roast with this vegetables garlic. So after 15 minutes you can see the vegetables are already kind of fried nicely and the color has been changed. So let's move to the another step. So for this soup you don't need any type of spice, you need just little bit of salt and little bit of sugar. This is the best thing because you know salt and sugar is available at every home. So you see, you can hear the sizzling sound. Oh my god, nice. Yeah, I just added sugar and salt in this and the sizzling sound coming and the aroma, you know, you can't feel in this video, but I am making the video, I can feel the nice aroma. So let's look at our second step. Come on. So our second step will be adding this boiled and peeled tomatoes into our soup pot. So I gonna own the can and I going to add 2 cans. As I said, I am going to make for 6 people. So just make sure that you open the can in the right way and don't make injury for your hand. So let's open the can. Wow, canned tomatoes, looks very nice. Let's put in the soup. So let's go and put this tomatoes in our soup, and this will be our step number 2. Said in the second step I am adding these peeled tomatoes in the soup. I am going to add 2 cans of this, so it's empty, so I will going to add the second one and nicely then later I will add in the third step some secret ingredient, and that I gonna tell you later. So watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. Who looked this video till so far, they will know my secret ingredient. The secret ingredient to make this soup creamier is to add cream. So cream is also one of the 5th ingredient which I didn't tell in the beginning because I want you guys to look this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, just go and check all my videos. I know I'm a beginner, there will be mistakes, but give me a support, guys, give me a support. Guys, in the third step I added the secret ingredient, and that was cream. So that was secret because to make a soup more creamier you should have add the cream, and that was my third step. And the last step is to add this Bazooka powder, and I'm using this powder because it's strong. You can use the fresh leaves, basil leaves if you have, and this both tastes the same, just the powder is a little bit more concentrated and it's like more strong. So I like strong flavor, so I'm using this basil powder. So let's add this in our soup. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube and Instagram to check the latest update about my channel and latest update about the new videos. Soon will be Netherlands series, guys. Soon will be Netherlands series in my channel, so subscribe it to check the Netherlands nightlife. As I said, I will be adding this basil soup in the 4th step in my soup. So let's add it. So let's show you how my soup looks like. You wanna have a look? Seriously? Come on, have a look. So at the 4th stage, the soups look like this. But don't forget, we still have to blend it. So when we will blend it, it will become thick because you see, Right now tomatoes are like this, so I added cream, tomato, bazooka, onion and celery. These are the 5 ingredients with salt and sugar in this, and make it for another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna blend it and decorate it. Guys, there is an important information that I want to give you. Soon my YouTube channel will have a new, like I am very happy to say, because you know, I find a very nice guy who is a very nice photographer and editor. So soon my video is gonna be like a professional, so we are looking for it, and soon everything in my YouTube channel gonna be professional. You will have, you know, drone shots, you will see like 4K videos, not this one. So just wait, you know, it take times to invest, you know. You give me your support, I will make sure that you are satisfied with my videos and you get knowledge from my videos. So soon you're gonna see the summer life in Klaipeda, because we're gonna talk with very many local people. We're gonna tell you about how it's how it's look like to live near sea in summer, and some sea festival, because Klaipeda is famous for sea festival, and this month it gonna be a sea festival. Still don't know, because of coronavirus they gonna allow this much people or not, but there are lack of people, you know, in sea festival. So wait for the channel to be get professionalized. Okay, so follow me and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Okay, so I gonna show you the soup after 10 minutes. Till that you're gonna have break, you can go and break. Guys, almost after 25 minutes of adding ingredients, mixing them well and cooking them well, and after blending it, the soups smells very nice and it tastes delicious. So you want to have a look at soup? No, you don't want. Look at the soup, guys. It will be very delicious. When you're gonna make it, you will like it. So have a look at my soup. Come on, have a look. So guys, you see the soup, it's creamier. So in the beginning I said I am making mozzarella tomato soup. So tomato soup is ready. So now I gonna add mozzarella, which is the second secret thing which I didn't say to you. But in the beginning, if you remember, I said mozzarella tomato soup. So you guys may be thinking I didn't show you mozzarella. So mozzarella is here. I gonna show you how much mozzarella I'm using for this soup, and according to what style I'm going to cut this mozzarella. And come on, have a look. So guys, I'm going to using 3 mozzarella for this soup, and I gonna cut it. So guys, this is how I cut it, the cheese, and I gonna add this cheese in the soup, and it gonna be now a mozzarella tomato soup. So guys, the soup is finally ready, and now I'm gonna show you the presentation of this soup, how you can give it to your guests and how should you decorate it nicely. So let's have a look at the presentation. So guys, this is how we gonna present this soup. See how nice it's looking, you know, creamier with cheese, little bit of basil and celery. The presentation should be like this, and hope you like this video. And once again, I gonna tell you, please subscribe and like my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram.